Okay, I got a package today. It's a mini mount for Starlink. Magnetic mount that I put on the roof. Let's see how it works. How it looks. Here's a what do they call this? A box opening or something like that. Eager to get this up. I don't have the best view here, but I don't know, maybe I can try this. Yeah, here's another angle. Okay, opening it up. Here's some paper. 4 magnets. Ugh. They are strong. Some more paper. Packing slip and instructions. We got an Allen wrench. And there's the frame with the cover. I guess I'm gonna have to go up and get the mount, or get the Starlink to put in it. We'll take a pause right here. Okay, here's my current Starlink setup. Nothing fancy. It works, but we're gonna replace it. Okay, cable ties all cut. Now we just gotta remove them and taking it down. Okay, cable ties off, cord disconnected. Now let's put the frame on. Downstairs, down by the van though. Well, it's down. Couple little nicks, but nothing bad. Could use cleaning, but I don't think it's gonna make a difference. Yeah, this is not the best setup for working on this. Okay, instructions. Yes, I read instructions. Helps if I have it upside down, upside right. Let's see. I don't know if these instructions make much sense. I'm pretty sure that goes under the frame. So see, the instructions show a 4-piece frame, but I think the frame's been updated, so it's not quite the same. It looks like all we have to do is take the frame off, put the mini dish in, and screw it back down. I gotta loosen them up a little more. If you loosen them up enough, they can pull up. That's what I'm doing. Oh, there's one I never loosened. Okay. I hope you can hear me. I forgot to put my mic on. It looks pretty easy. And I like that they provide the tool. It's not 3D printed. I like the design. I think the original design didn't have a cover, but this one does. And it's a one-piece frame. Okay. Let's see if we can take it off. I thought I had it all the way out. Okay, there we go. Great. Oh, that was just a cover anyway, so it's okay, Bailey. It's okay, I got it. Okay, we're putting the cover on. We're in. No, we're putting the dish in. Yeah, we're putting the dish in. Now we're going to put the frame back on. It's okay, Bailey. I just dropped it. It's okay. It's very strong. It's not going to break. Put them in loosely at first to make sure they all go in. Then we'll tighten it up. Imagine after that, it's just a matter of putting the magnets on and plugging it back in. Okay, now we'll tighten them down. Kind of using a star pattern like you do with a tire or a wheel, so they all get somewhat flat. It's in there solid. Not going anywhere. You can see why I wanted one of these. I didn't have the best situation. If any of those cable ties started breaking, I probably would have lost my dish. But they were good cable ties. Not like the ones I bought from Northern Tool. Those things broke all the time. They're thicker, bigger, They just couldn't handle it. Okay, one more round just to make sure. Don't want to make them too tight. Okay, that's in. Very nice. Looks nice. I'm assuming the magnitude next. There we go. That's two. I like this. It's really easy to install. I doubt very much you'll lose any parts. I don't think I need that anymore. Well, I don't think I'm going to worry about it. Just go up there and put it on. It's a little heavier now. Get rid of the box. Double check the instructions. Oh, the bolts are all stainless steel. That helps too. See, they don't show that little pivot piece on here, but I'm not sure how to take it off. But it's not going to interfere with it. So I don't need that. I don't need the knife. I always take my keys with me. Alright. I'm pretty sure I can get this up. Alright, let's go. So here, you want to look at it? Here's that pivot piece. You don't really need it. I'd take it off if I could get it off. Alright, we're going back up. Okay, got it up. I strapped it to my arm with a bungee cord. Okay, let's put the cord in. 2 hands. Okay, that's it. Put that down. Okay, it's in. It's solid. It's on flat surface. It's very hard to pull off. I'm in my storage space. Ugh. You can pull it off, but you gotta do one magnet at a time. I'm just trying to feed the cable so it's not flopping around. Like I said, I don't want to move. It's maybe I'm moving it to the center. But this is nice and flat. It's over the gap. Alright, I can't try it out until I leave the area. Okay, it's up on the roof. I'm outside. I ran a few tests and I got a screenshot. I don't have a video. I don't have a second camera. So, at least not a phone. So here comes the screenshot. I think that's pretty good. It varies a little bit. And when they come down with cost, I'll be even more happier. But I don't think they'll come down in cost. So, all right. That's my Veritas Starlink mini mount, magnetic. They do have suction cups if you want them to. But I'm happy. And it looks a lot more reliable than the other way I had. I don't think it's going to blow off the roof either. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll try to leave a link for this one if I can find it. But just look up Veritas and you'll find it.